Currently about 10:29 a.m. Woke up today at around 6 a.m. today. Paid my Fajr namaz. Did my workout today. It was shadow boxing. Ate my breakfast and now I'm about to just start my work for the day. Agency work, content, stuff like that. So yeah, for the last couple of days I've been trying to start making videos again. I record the start of my day, but during throughout the day I just forget about recording because I'm just so much uh, what do you say, so much indulged in my work that I get so busy and so logged in that I even forget about recording the clips. So yeah, I will try to get that out of the way today, and I'll try to upload as record as much as the clips that I can today. Things have been going well. I've been working on my agency. My result came out, and I'm no longer in the warning status. I'm back again to satisfactory. So that's good news for me. Uh, like because last year when I got the second letter from my university, I was a second letter from my university. I was on warning before that. I improved, but still my CGPA wasn't above 2. So I got another letter from my university, and during that time, my whole household was pressurizing me so much. My mom scolded me so much. Let's just say that the relationship between me and her went through a roughy patch at that time. Obviously, I love my mom and dad, but as you know, like I can blame them because according to them, like this is my lifeline, and if I don't get the degree, according to them, I'll be homeless or thing like that. But obviously, my business is my main thing. So yeah, that time that was a very rough patch, but Alhamdulillah, I'm like super thankful to myself and super thankful to Allah that Allah didn't let me give up that time. I stood up and I was like, no, even even if my life is hell right now, I'm going to go through hell. I'm going to win. So yeah, just those previous years, from time to time, like Allah has showed me like I can do things. I can find my way out of the pit holes. It doesn't matter what kind of situation I am in, as long as I'm willing to work hard and as long as I'm willing to trust Allah, I'll be able to take myself out of those situations. So yeah, so anyone who's listening to it right now, and I don't know like someone watches these videos or not, but maybe after like 5 to 10 years later, when someone watches this, I hope you take watch this clip of mine and just realize that it doesn't matter in what kind of situation you are in, you can always dig your way out of them, as long as you're willing to trust Allah or any higher power that you believe you want to believe in, and you work hard and you remain disciplined. That power or the power of the universe, whatever you say, will help you crawl your way out of it. Obviously I have done like there were many situations in which I thought that I was doomed, but the one of the most recent situations of them were the university in which I got first the warning letter, then the serious warning letter, and obviously if you don't improve yourself after the serious warning letter, you are dismissed from the university. Uh, Not relegated, but kicked out, and like there's another fancy term in English that is used for it. So yeah, I went through it and I completed it. So wherever you are, just realize one thing, that you can do it. You don't have to you don't have to give up. It doesn't matter what kind of situation you are in. You just need to adjust some things according to reach your goal, and you'll be fine. So hopefully,